Hello friends, today we will be discussing on the topic discipline of good habits. Now discipline is one thing which is to be taken in day-to-day life of every person in this world. So if you talk about all the professionals, all the entrepreneurs or all the successful people in the world, they have been successful because they were disciplined in their life. Now discipline can be of many sorts. Discipline is basically a kind of an art. So it's an art which betters day by day once you keep on practicing it. So discipline could be of anything. Discipline of being punctual to office, discipline could be of doing the correct work at the right time, discipline could be giving the correct time to your family, discipline could be being into a correct relationship. Having discipline in life gives you the focus, gives you the direction towards a better life. Now if you talk on the professional end, how discipline can be important. If you see all the big entrepreneurs, say for example it could be Bill Gates or it could be Elon Musk or it could be any other big shot, Warren Buffett, they all have a very disciplined and a systematic life. If you see their lifestyles, you will notice there is a pattern. All 365 days in a year they have a systematic pattern which they follow. That is, they have a disciplined, structured divisions of the day which they have. Now, if we see the pattern of all the successful people, as we were talking about Bill Gates, so they are, you need to focus on all the good habits in life. So for that, if we talk in our personal lives, how we can develop our discipline, we need to have two major distinctions. One is hard work, the other is smart work. So we need to be smart. We need to be intelligent enough to select our good habits, which we can convert into discipline. Now, discipline is related to two things. One is you need to be focused. Second is you need to be consistent. Now, for that, what we can do is we first of all list down all the good habits which we can inculcate. It could be reading, it could be studying some financial books, it could be related to developing ideas, meeting new people, meeting entrepreneurs, having your own mentors and spending time with them. So all the good habits, if you inculcate together and start repeating them day by day, day in, day out, it becomes a discipline. So my friends, in that case, life will automatically take you to the directions in which you want to lead it. Obviously, every person is not aware of what is their future, what they are focusing in life. But if you start doing the good things with a discipline in life, you will definitely achieve greater success what you have never ever thought of. So there is a concept of 2190. So 2190 is nothing. So there is a pattern called 21 days and 90 days. So if you do a habit, if you inculcate a habit and make it into a discipline, if you do it for 21 days, it becomes a habit. If you do it for continuous 90 days, it becomes a lifestyle. So my friends, you need to focus on a better lifestyle. In that case, we have to have strategic, planned, decided, positive actions towards developing our discipline for our future betterment. Thank you.